This is Alix Paultre, and I'm here with Christian Taylor here at Bulgin during the Electronica 2018 show, and, well, it's very interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, we're having a good time.
That's great. Well, everything here, there's a lot of embedded systems, a lot of really cool technology, but you have to connect it, right? If you don't have connectors and cables, it's just a pile of electronics.
Yep, that's it. Yeah, connectors are really important for industry and keeping things connected, yep.
So now, what do you have here? What are some of the highlights you'd like to talk about here at the show?
Well, what we've got here is our new fibre optics range. So we've got the 4000 Simplex, we've got the 6000 Duplex, and we've got the expanded beam, which is a new prototype for us. So we're really just exhibiting what we can do.
Now, what are some of the issues that in standard fibre optic cables that you're addressing with this new series?
Well, really, it's more a case of certainly with the expanded beam, what we're trying to do here is make it so much more affordable, because it's a mil-spec equivalent connector. So it's basically a plastic, affordable connector, but it's capable of mating with military spec connectors, and so.
Very nice. Well, I mean, because connection in fiber optics is one of the biggest pains in the you-know-what in the system. So, I mean, it's a big challenge for the installers, it's a big challenge for the engineers, because a bad connection gives you all kinds of connection problems. Yeah,
indeed. And so with physical contact fiber, usually the fiber optics are so small that just a grain of hair or some debris can cause you to have a loss of signal. And with the expanded beam, the good thing about that is that it collimates the light, so it can actually tolerate more rubbish or debris getting in the way and still work.
Is it proprietary, waveguides, lenses? How do you do it?
This uses lenses, yeah, but the insides of it is what will be proprietary to us. We're in the process of talking to patents and trying to get patents in place. So really the inside of how the actual connector is all connected inside is what we're trying to develop to make it more affordable, easier to do.
And that's where the rubber meets the road, isn't it?
Yeah, indeed. And you can open it up to a larger marketplace by doing such a thing.
Well, the easier you make it to install, that starts to solve some of these final mile issues in a lot of fiber optic systems.
Exactly, yep.
Now, let's talk a little bit about the ruggedness. I mean, how harsh environment friendly is it?
Well, expanded beam is brilliant for harsh environments, purely because because of the collimated light. There's a test that's known as the bucket of mud test, and basically it's a case of where you can literally take the connectors apart, and then you'd be able to put them into mud, literally rinse them off, and then make them back up, and you're away again. And it works fine.
I notice it's an interlocking threaded connector. It looks pretty robust.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be the future for us. We've got high hopes for it.
Well, you know, that's very interesting. So, harsh environment, it's easily connectable. Now, how scalable is it?
Well, we're hoping really scalable, because what we're looking to achieve is, and something that a lot of our competitors don't do, is they typically tend to stay to fixed lengths. So if somebody wants to buy a pre-terminated harness, our competitors are fairly rigid in what they're prepared to do, whereas we're going to be more open. We'll do custom lengths, and we'll look at certain volumes around custom lengths. Yeah.
So that's really interesting. So you've got your scalability, you've got your interconnect robustness, and frankly, there are going to be a lot of installers really happy to see this.
Yeah, we hope so. And if anybody wants to sort of come and see what we're up to and more interesting stuff, then check out the website.
Very cool. So hey, thank you so much for taking the time to have a chat with us.
Thank you.